Hello everyone, this is Kevin Molis, the Malden Police Chief, and I'm speaking to you from the Malden Police Department Community Room, which has now been used as our roll call room. We moved our roll call into this bigger setting to allow your officers to gather at the beginning of their shift and also allowing them to be able to engage in safe distancing as they begin their work. When their name is called at roll call, they answer here, and that indicates their willingness to protect and serve you at the risk of their lives and safety if they're called upon to do so. Now, during this time, I want to make you aware of a new policy and procedure that we will be using to hopefully make the officers safer and to make you safer. So in order to reduce the need and the amount of personal contacts between us, we will be allowing the telephone reporting of a number of crimes that are generally minor in nature. This would include, but it's not limited to, things like harassing phone calls, lost or stolen credit cards, lost or stolen cell phones, theft from a motor vehicle, things like that, mostly property crimes. So the way to do this is to call the police line 781-397-7171. That's 781-397-7171, and then you'll be prompted to hit 0, and that will connect you with someone who will be able to assist you in this process. So that's something that we're going to do to hopefully make us safer, free the police officers up to do more of the increased workload connected to this health crisis that's going on, and we ask for your cooperation in this. We're going to continue our daily mission of protecting and serving you. We've done this from the beginning, and the thin blue line has shown great strength and resilience throughout our history. We continue to be fully engaged in our response to emergency calls. On Wednesday, I responded to a call of an overdose, and I was there and I witnessed your police officers, your firefighters, and your EMTs engaged in life-saving measures in the middle of everything else that's going on. Later on that evening, I responded to a call of someone experiencing flu-like symptoms, and I actually, in awe, saw the EMT put on a mask, go in, and help someone who they didn't even know. These are the things that are being done each and every day by all the people out on the front lines, and I want to offer them my tremendous gratitude and awe in which I see those that are engaging in this life-saving work each and every day, whether it be police officers, firefighters, EMTs, doctors, nurses, home health care workers, all the people that are out there engaged in situations of providing to the needs of people as is required. That's our mission. That's what we do and what we're going to continue to do. But as oftentimes I've used a quote that the police are the public and the public are the police. We're going to do this together, and we'll get through this together. And we're not alone in this. We're united with the world. We're not an island. And that made me think of some famous words that were written in 1624 by John Donne, fittingly from a book called Devotions Upon Emergent Occasions. And there's some powerful words that he offered to show that this is just not our problem, it's not a state problem, it's not a national problem, it's a world problem. And in 1624, John Donne wrote, "No person is an island entire of itself. Every one of us is a piece of the continent, a part of the main. If a clod be washed away by the sea, we are less, as well as if a promontory were, as well as if a manor of thy friends, or of thy own were. Any person's death diminishes me, because I am involved in mankind, and therefore never send to know for whom the bell tolls, it tolls for thee." Just this morning I received some words of encouragement from an Italian police colleague named Maurizio, who in the middle of his own crisis in his own country, he wanted to let me and the police and the public know that he's thinking of us while his own country is experiencing the devastation caused by this world health crisis. The days ahead and the weeks ahead and the future ahead will bring us many challenges that we are ready to meet. We remain ready, willing, and able to serve. We're not an island. We are Malden. We are the Malden Police Department. We are connected to each other, and it's together that we will prevail. I want to thank you for your time. I want to thank you for your cooperation. Every day this situation changes, as it unfolds, as it evolves, we will improvise and we will adapt and we will do everything we can to keep you informed. Thank you very much. God bless, stay safe, and do everything you can to make our community safer.